Midnight Raven here. Today we are doing a Mysticum Luna unboxing. It comes in this wee little box that comes through your door. You can just see that there. Comes in your door like this. It comes in a white box. This box has 2 pins in it. It's a pin subscription from Mysticum Luna. You get 2 pins a month. And they do come in this little box, so it goes straight for your letterbox. You don't even have to be in when it arrives, which is... It costs £8. There's 2 pins, so that makes each pin £4 each, which does sound pretty expensive, but the pins themselves are high quality and they usually are really good, unusual pins. I use the word unusual. Inside, we have what we normally have, where we have the logo here. We have the ML for the Mysticum Luna, and it says pin subscription. Inside you will find 2 little coloured pouches. We will get to that in a second. First of all, I'm going to show you their social media. They have really good social media and they're really helpful. So this is Mysticum Luna. And then on the back, you can see their social media. Last month we did actually get a Mysticum Luna pin that was actually in the shape of their logo. I absolutely love last month's. It was really cool. There's their social media. I will link it in the description below, so if you want to check these out, you can do. Inside you will find 2 little bags. They usually correspond with the colour on there, and they usually correspond with the colour on the front, which they have done. The boxes used to be black, but now they're white. I did like when they were black, and they've been white for a while now, but I did prefer them when they were black. We do get 2 bags, so there's a pin in each. If you go onto their website, you can get mystery bags like this at random. Other than the pin subscription, you can get mystery bags like this that have a pin, a ring, a necklace, patches and everything. These ones actually do just contain pins, but they do a separate mystery pins, separate mystery bags that contain more than just pins, or they do a big subscription box as well. So we're going to take a look at these 2 and see what's inside. I love how shiny they are. And they just rip as well. Like, look how easy that is. That's just like, just so cool. Ooh, reflection there. So I haven't seen any sneak peeks of what... Ooh, it's a big pin today. So here's the back. As you can see, you get the little pin clasp. They're usually pretty good ones as well. They're nothing that's usually widdly. They're usually the nice ones. Look at this. Look at that. I was talking about horoscopes on my channel the other day, doing fortune cookies and that, and then look at this. We have this gorgeous moon. The man in the moon. Look at that. It's really cool as well. It's a nice big pin. Usually we get like smaller ones. This is a good size pin today. It's good quality, good size. There you have the man in the moon. That's pretty cool. So that's pin number 1. Now we have pin number 2. It would be nice if pin number 2 was like the sun, so like the opposite, or a star pin, a cloud pin would be nice. Let me just get a knife here. I can't seem to get in the bag, but we will try. Having issues with the bags as usual, but I do have a multi-tool, so we will just put a hole in it and go from there. Does usually prove difficult. They're not the easiest things to open, I must admit. Ooh, and then in this one, ooh, this one's kind of cool. See, I thought they were going to go for a sun, moon, maybe a star. They've gone for a fly. Look at that. Now that is a gorgeous but creepy pin. I believe it's meant to be like a giant, I want to say it's a giant fly. We'll put it like this. So you've got the head down here, and then you've got the wings. Let's see if I can get it to shine with the sun. So just to show you like this. It's like a giant fly. I think it's pretty cool. You got the white and everything. And again on the back you have the pin. That is like the world's weirdest but cutest pin. So this month we got two gorgeous pins. I'm loving the black theme. So we have the fly pin, and we also have the man in the moon pin. So look at these two side by side. They look really good. They'd look really cool on a jean jacket or on a pin board. So if you want to check out Mysticum Luna for yourself, I will leave a link below. Like I said, you can check them out on all their social media. They are really helpful. They have a good customer service. They have good people running it. I absolutely love the pins. I love the coloured bags. I keep all these little bags as well. I love them. If you want to check out me, I have a playlist for Mysticum Luna. That will be linked at the end. That will pop up at the end of this. If you want to see more from me, I have many playlists other than Mysticum Luna. So check them out. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and share and tweet and all that good stuff. And I will see you next month for another Mystica Luna unboxing. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.